Hi everyone, in this video I am sharing my vegan tomato rice perfect for wedding receptions. A dairy-free, flavor-packed version of the classic Malaysian Nasi Tomato, made with basmati rice, tomato puree and aromatic spices. This recipe gives you the same rich taste as the wedding style version but completely plant-based. This recipe is perfect for festive occasions or weekend meals. I will include tips for fluffy, non-sticky rice, so make sure to stay until the end. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer nasi tomato or nasi minyak? Let's get cooking. Heat up 2 tablespoons vegan butter in a pan. Also add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. When the butter starts melting, we will first fry 2 tablespoons cashew nuts. When it has browned slightly, add 2 tablespoons raisins and fry until raisins puff up. Now remove cashews and raisins from the pan and set them aside. In the same oil, add thinly sliced onion. I'm using 1 big onion here. Saute until golden brown and slightly caramelized. That's when the sweetness comes out. Then add the dry spices. 1 piece cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 3 cardamoms, 4 cloves, and 2 bay leaves for that extra aroma. Let them sizzle until fragrant. This step is what makes the rice smell so good. Now add 1 green chili that has been slit. Next, add 1 tablespoon ginger paste and 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Stir until the raw taste goes soft. Now add 2 tablespoons green peas. This is optional, you can omit it. Then add 1 tomato that has been chopped and saute until tomato becomes a paste. Give it a good stir. Then add 3 tablespoons tomato puree. Add 2 teaspoons jaggery or brown sugar to balance the flavors. Also add about 2 teaspoons of salt. Adjust to your own taste. Cook until the puree thickens slightly and turns a rich deep red. Now the star of the recipe, basmati rice. Basmati rice turns out exceptionally well in this recipe. I am using 3 cups of basmati rice, which should serve 9 to 10 people. You can reduce proportionately for a smaller portion. Make sure to rinse and pre-soak the rice for about 30 minutes. Then rinse again and drain the water. Add the rinsed rice to the pan and saute for 1 to 2 minutes for the rice to absorb the flavors. Then we will transfer the rice to a rice cooker for easier cooking. You may, however, continue to cook on a stove top if preferred. Once the rice is added to the pot, we will add water. I am adding 3 cups of water here, using the same cup as used to measure rice. Then pour in 1 cup of evaporated coconut milk for creaminess. Finally, add another half cup water. In all, I used 4.5 cups liquid for 3 cups of raw rice. You may adjust the liquid level according to the instructions on your rice bag. Stir well and level the rice. Then place the inner pot into the rice cooker and place the lid on. Now switch on the rice cooker and you can leave it aside until the rice cooks, normally about 30 minutes. Once the rice is cooked, Do not open the lid for another 15 minutes as the rice will fluff up nicely in the remaining steam. When the rice is done, we will add the pre-fried cashew nuts and raisins. Also add some coriander leaves and mint leaves for aroma. Now gently stir the rice with a spatula to mix the grains well. Stir the rice from the outside to the middle without breaking the grains. Look at that, fluffy, aromatic and not sticking together. Perfectly cooked tomato rice. And there you have it, vegan tomato rice in wedding reception style. Perfectly fluffy and full of flavor. It's delicious, served with a green salad and a spicy vegan rendang. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Comment below if you tried it. I love to hear how it turned out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.